Something is happening inside Apple's design labs that shouldn't be possible. For decades, the desktop computer has been a symbol of compromise. If you wanted power, you bought a massive tower that sounded like a jet engine. If you wanted something small, you settled for a machine that struggled to open a browser tab. But right now, we are witnessing the total collapse of that old world. Enter the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just an annual refresh. This is the device that is effectively killing the Mac Studio and making every professional PC tower look like a relic of the Stone Age. We are talking about a 5x5-inch silver box that now holds the power to outperform workstation-grade hardware costing 5 times its price. As we move into the middle of 2026, the leaks surrounding the M5 chip have shifted from exciting to impossible. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've seen the thermal schematics, we've seen the fusion architecture benchmarks, and we've seen Apple's secret plan to dominate the AI era. If you're thinking about buying a Mac right now, you need to listen very carefully. Because the Mac Mini M5 is the most disruptive product Apple has released since the original M1. And the reasons why people are going to be forced to buy this machine go far beyond just a faster processor. To understand the gravity of the M5 Mac Mini, we have to look at the silicon wall. For the last few years, chip manufacturers have been hitting a limit. They can't just keep making things smaller without things getting too hot. But with the M5, Apple has introduced what insiders are calling the super-core architecture. This isn't just about packing more transistors into a 3-nanometer space. It's about how those transistors talk to each other. The M5 chip features a 3.5x faster neural engine, specifically designed for local-first artificial intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a gimmick. It's the backbone of how we use a computer. The Mac Mini M5 is being built to handle large language models entirely on-device, meaning your data never has to leave the silicon. This is Apple's privacy-first war against the cloud, and the Mac Mini is the infantry. But let's get into the raw power, because that's what truly matters for the US audience. The creators, the engineers, and the gamers. The M5 is rumored to deliver a staggering 45% jump in GPU performance compared to the M4. Let that sink in for a second. We are reaching a point where a budget desktop can edit multiple streams of 8K ProRes video without dropping a single frame. The Mac Mini M5 Pro variant is even more terrifying. With up to 18 CPU cores and a dual-die architecture, it's basically 2 computers stitched together with zero latency. For the first time ever, the Mini brand is no longer an entry-level designation. It is a Pro designation that happens to fit in your backpack. Now, why does this make the Mac Studio obsolete? It's simple. Efficiency. In the past, you needed the Studio because it had the thermal headroom to keep the chips cool. But the M5's new 3-nanometer fusion process is so efficient that it generates almost no heat during standard workloads. Apple is reportedly sticking with the compact 5x5-inch form factor, but the internal cooling has been redesigned from the ground up. This means the M5 Mac Mini can run at 100% capacity for hours without the fan ever becoming audible. For a musician in a home studio or a video editor in